Yeah, I've been testing this 17 inches Pool Skimmer Net and this massive 12 feet pool pole, which I got from Danny's Pool Supply to show you. And it has been working really, really good. I love how we can adjust these pole lengths. It comes with these built-in pins. So in total we have 3 different parts, but that's not everything because the main part of this pole is still extendable. You can see, I mean, of course, there's nothing preventing from pulling this out completely. If you do it too much, you can just push it back, secure it nicely, but you can see you can really do this in 2 different additional sections here. Exactly same thing here with the one at the end. You can also secure it back, and already like that it has a massive length, and we have still these 2 additional pieces. So I probably leave them on the side in case I really need them. For example, also to clean some spider webs up there in the pool enclosure, which I can't reach without that, and usually just use it like that. Super convenient. By the way, also the Pool Skimmer Net comes with this clip design, comes also with this adapter piece here. Just push it together, slide it in, and do same thing here with the pole. Just squeeze the pins, slide it in, and then we have it here ready. Works absolutely awesome, and it's pretty sturdy actually, despite already this length, and we can even add the 2 additional pieces. This is absolutely amazing. It has also this ergonomic shape here. They can skim nicely along the edge. And another thing which I absolutely love here with this Pool Skimmer Net is this flap here. I've never seen that before. It's absolutely amazing. So after using it like that and having all the bugs, all the leaves, everything here inside, you turn it around and then you can easily shake it out here. You don't even have to touch the dirt, everything which is inside. You can just hold this nice and easy. But also when you're using it without the hand, which I'm usually doing, something like that, just flip it around and shake it out. It still gives the mesh a little bit of extra weight, makes it much easier to clean. And I'm using this pole now also for my pool brush because it's so much easier to use, especially when I push here, when I really have to push hard. It's not pushed together automatically, which was the biggest problem with my old pool pole. And so here I can push much harder, and despite that still have the possibility for a 2-way extension in case I need. Yeah, that's much more convenient than before. I absolutely love it. Yeah, for me an absolute game changer, the mesh and the pole regarding pool cleaning. I'm super happy with it, never would want to go back to the old system which I had. Absolutely love it. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order either the skimmer mesh or the pole or both for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this set, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.